Hello everyone. So one of the important topic which actually asked during the interview that what is the Python lambda function? What is the lambda function in the Python and what is the use of that? So in the simple term, lambda function in the Python is just a small anomalous functions. It do not have any name, right? And it can take any number of arguments. We do not have to require to declare the function name, and all the implementation. We directly write the one liner of a statement and then we can execute. That's it. So this is nothing but a lambda function, which is nothing but an anonymous functions. So syntax, what is the syntax for the lambda function? So syntax is like that: variable name and the lambda, that is a keywords, and then arguments, a number of argument. Let's suppose one argument, then one argument you have to pass multiple arguments, so each and every argument should be the comma separated, and then what is the expression in the output you want, right? So this is the syntax for declaring the lambda function. Let's see some of the examples. So here is one of the example I have mentioned there. Let's see, suppose that I want to do a square of any number. I want to create one lambda functions that will do the square, right? So as per the expression, variable name is like a, and lambda is a keyword like this, and argument. Right now I want to do a square of one number, then I will pass the x as a one number of argument. And what will be the expression will be the colon x double double star 2. It means square, x square, right? So this is nothing but an expression, this is nothing but an argument, this is the keywords, and this is the variable name. So this is overall syntax for the lambda functions. And then how we are going to use that? You can use with the name of variable name and then pass the input argument, that is a 5. If I'm going to run this code, so it will provide an 5 square, that is a 25, right? Let's see the different example also. So for the different example I have the, and again one of the use case, I want to do the multiplication of two numbers with the help of lambda function. I do not want to create any functions, I want to use the lambda function. So for that, again the variable name, lambda keywords, and then how many arguments? Two arguments for the multiplication, then x comma y, and what will be the output? X multiplied by y. This is the expression, right? And if I'm going to use that this lambda function, then pass call b, and then how many arguments? Two arguments require, right? So two or three, two arguments we have to pass as the comma separated. And if I'm going to run this piece of code, it will provide the output as in 6, 2 multiplied by 3. So this is nothing but a simple example of the lambda function. Lambda function, again anomalous functions, it do not have any name. So I hope you understand this this solution, these concepts. Thank you so much for joining this